Hi, Jay here. I'm going to teach you how to copy a whole thread over. And since these videos are very large, I'm going to try to do this quick. Okay, we're going to take one because I want to show you a few other things along with it. Let's pick up bear share keeps closing. We're going to go ahead and copy this. We know this is in the bear share. Pretend this is something else and you want to completely remove. Let's go ahead and click Move, Copy Thread. We're going to click this down arrow, and for testing purpose, we're going to put it in the Mob Squad. Okay, it's clicked on the middle. This is going to leave a redirect. Little note there: when someone clicks that moved, it's going to take them to the spot where it's moved. Okay. If you don't have mob status or administrator status, you're not going to be able to see it if it's in the mob squad. Okay, and this goes for any thread you move, and you really don't want to move all, move and just leave this whole direct. We'd rather have you move it another way, and I'll show you that in another video. But we're going to copy this whole thread, and what this does is just copies the whole thread. I mean, completely. Like the whole thread's been produced twice. Here we go. It's the whole thread is now in the mob squad. Okay, and to show you really quick, we'll go back to the bear share form. Okay, it's still there. Bear share keeps closing. This will help you if you have problems and you're not sure what to do, and you don't want to just delete things or you don't want to screw things up. Copy the whole thread over to the mob squad, and then do what you got to do. And if something happens, you can always copy it back over, and it's like it never happened. This is a good trick to do. We're going to go to the mob squad here. We're going to go to this thread I just copied over. This is the whole thread I just copied over. Okay, what we're going to do here is I'm going to teach you how to delete all these posts, because I just want you to see the first one, and there's a reason. And I want to go ahead and click this down arrow, select all. It's going to check all these posts. As you see, this little tenant there. But I want to uncheck the first one, because that's the one I really don't want to delete. Okay, the rest they're checked, either on top or the bottom. You have these tools when you become a mob, and we're going to delete these posts. And since this thread has already been copied, get that, we're going to physically remove them, because it's not going to hurt. It's already just been copied. I basically want to show you something. See, you can see all the other posts are gone. Let's say this is John Smith. Okay, we're going through his post. He's posting and asking for help. Okay, within these posts, and within the the start list, they post, and sometimes they give hints of their last name and who they are, and we really don't want that on these boards. Okay. So we're going to go through, we're going to look, we're going to go down, we're going to look, and we're going to look, and we'll go through all of them. Okay, document the settings. This is where usually your last names are all the time, or first and last names. People they don't really know better. Some people do. But in these cases, you have to just go ahead and hit edit and delete. Get used to this. Sometimes you'll make a mistake here, but you'll get used to this, and you'll scroll down into where you have to edit their last name. In this case, where Hewlett Packard administrator is, let's pretend there's John Smith there. Okay, if John Smith was there, I don't want the Smith there, so I quietly delete it and save it. That actually is editing a post, and a lot of times they don't even really know. Okay, but you're helping them. Some people put email addresses that you really want to go ahead and take that right off. And there's other places where it says document settings. This is where usually you'll see the last names. First names you can keep. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to delete this thread because I'm only demonstrating. I'm going to just delete it. It's no longer going to be in the mob squad. For testing purposes, I just showed you how to copy a whole thread over to another form. In this case, it was the mob form.